Hi and welcome back. Today is Chouchen part 2. If you didn't watch the first episode, please go watch it, but as just a brief overview, in here I put a half a gallon of organic apple juice and I sliced about 2 pounds of apples to put in there. So one of the things that makes Chouchen kind of special is that you ferment the apples and the apple juice first. And then you add in the honey. The honey that it requires is very specific. It is buckwheat honey, which I have right here. I did not realize when I bought this that there's like beeswax and all kinds of stuff in here. Honestly, the rawer the better. Makes it more legit. This is a really cool, super ancient recipe brought by the Celtic Druids into Brittany, France. Okay, so this thing has been sitting about 2 weeks now. It's smelling pretty nice in there. Not bad, not bad. I want to test the gravity of this, see where it's at. I'm pretty sure I want to put, I wrote down that I wanted to put 3 pounds of buckwheat honey, but I might only want to put in 2.5. Maybe I should just start with 2 pounds and see where it's at. How about that? We're gonna do that. Whoop. Not enough, it says. Give me more fluid. Just dry, y'all. Hey, all that shug. This is a very messy cider right now. What do I do? What do I do? I'm going to take this and I'm gonna take one of these. And no, I still don't have a funnel. Just an FYI. Maybe I should have warmed my water up first. Oh. All right, bye, see ya. This honey is from Mill Creek Honey. I think I got it off of Etsy, but it looks like they have their own shop as well. And the price was really good. Whoa, that has a very distinct flavor. That's really nice. I'm gonna add more water to this. I'm gonna shake this up a lot. Ooh, the lolly. How do I explain buckwheat honey? It smells very ambery. Put a little bit more of this in here. Try not to get all that comb. No comb bee, please. I have enough in here already. Bee pollen, anyone? Maybe some bee parts? Don't know. Hey, the original Chouchen had bee parts in it. In fact, it had bee venom, and it really messed people up. This is as close as I'm gonna get to the OG recipe. This is my workout for the week. And I'm gonna rack these into these. Put these in here. And I'm just gonna move this down here so this process goes a lot faster. I wanted to get as much of that as I possibly could. Ooh, the lolly. I think I put just the right amount of water in here. Look at that. See a nice line of buckwheat honey down there. I don't dare shake this. I'm just gonna attempt to stir it a little bit. Oh, girl, look at them bubbles. Time to take the magical reading. Woo, there we go. Just barely over where we had started. So after some quick math, my hydrometer came with this handy dandy like equation at the bottom, and on the back is a conversion table, which is really nice so that you can quickly kind of calculate about what your ABV is gonna be. So because we started at 1.060, that is an ABV of about 7.8. That's your alcohol percentage. So it is at 1.066. Yeah, so this should still be sweet in the end without being like overpoweringly sweet. We'll just say Round 1, it's about 7.8, right? Okay. Round 2, it's at about 8.5. So together, it would be 16.3 ABV. This yeast can only go up to about 14 to 15% max, I think. And I mean, that's really pushing it. I'm hopeful that I'm gonna have just enough sweetness at the end. It's gonna be really pleasant. Oh my God. Oh, it smells so nice. Ah, I'm so excited. Oh my God. All right, this baby's going on. Sticking my airlock on here. And I think that is really about it. This video is Chouchen Part 2. Chouchen, however you say it. So this is what it looks like. It's been a couple of months now. Let me look, actually. Don't know why I didn't look before, but I didn't. All right, so we started this on the 11th of May. Today is the 28th of July. 11th of May to 28th of July. So it has been, what, like 2.5 months? Something like that? It's still foamy! Look at this. There's still stuff happening in here. There's a good layer on top. The yeast is kind of chunky-ish. It's still doing things. Honestly, I'm worried that this has eaten just about all of the sugar that's in here. I mean, a lot of this could be CO2. I don't know. Could be whatever, you know? Oh shit, is this Chouchen Part 2 or Part 3? I don't know. I don't know what video this is. Y'all, I did some summer college. I haven't filmed anything for 2 months. I haven't edited anything at this point. I don't know where I am. So on the 25th of May, added 2 pounds of buckwheat honey, brought it back up to 1.066. It could be a maximum of just over 16% if it ate all of this sugar, which I'm a little bit worried about. All right, this airlock is disgusting. It's full of bugs. I want to like empty it in something else, not my sanitized liquid. So smell is good. It's definitely very cidery, I guess you could say. So I know because of the malic acid, it can take appley things a while to settle out. Oh, it's actually like surprisingly clear. There are apples in this, and apples are full of pectin. I didn't put any pectinase or anything like that in here, because I just want things to settle out naturally. Just do what they do, and if there's a little bit of haze in the end, I don't really care. It ate it all! Again! Oh, golly. This thing is 16%. I used D47, which is supposed to max out at 14. Supposed to, but it didn't. Now it's 16%. 0.98. I need to add more honey to this. This is supposed to be a sweet mead. I'm gonna use this bucket, lift this up. All that nasty floaty stuff at the top is beeswax, and then there's a bunch of lees at the bottom. Hopefully if I get this off the lees, maybe it'll stop. Stop. Just stop. That'd be dope. I don't want like an 18% brew. I want something drinkable. Okay, well I'm gonna go ahead and rack this, and I'm gonna go get some more buckwheat honey. Thankfully I have a little bit left. Yeah, and I'm gonna back sweeten. So, BRB. All right, I've got this racked. As you can see, I lost, I don't know, can you see? I lost a bit, but there was a lot of lees at the bottom. And obviously a lot of large chunks of beeswax and stuff, so lost a bit of volume. I'm gonna taste this, I'm gonna figure out, does this need to be back sweetened? Probably. If you remember, I had buckwheat honey in plastic bags that were very messy. So I had to transfer what was left into just like a container. It's definitely a bit dry. It can use some honey. It's good as it is though, actually, to be honest. Well, I guess I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. I'm just gonna spoon some of this in there. It's gonna be really messy. God. Who needs a thingy. What are they? Funnels. Who needs a funnel? Me, this girl. If I were to do this again, I would use, it might not work. I would use 100% cider. There we go. This can stir. Needs more honey. How much am I putting in, you may ask? I don't know. Because when you back sweeten, it doesn't really matter. You just kind of do it to taste. So yeast can only handle a certain amount of alcohol, typically. And then they die. They just can't do it anymore. But, you know, sometimes they just don't follow their own rules. Oh my god, the neck of this is just covered in honey. Oh, it's so sticky, it's a mess. Come on, get in there. I hate everything right now. Whatever. My racking cane is too big. It's just too big. All right, let's see where it is now. I'd say that's good. I don't think I want to do any more. I don't know. I feel like I maybe pushed the gravity like just over 1. At this point though, maybe I should just dump the rest in here. All right, that's it. The last step is to oak this, which I definitely want to do. Chouchen, sometimes they wouldn't oak it, but I think traditionally it's typically oaked. So that's what we're gonna do. You see those bubbles? That is CO2, baby! You see that? See it again. Oh yeah! It's going. There's a lot of built up gas in here. Hopefully it's what that foamy top was. All right, well, thank you for watching, and there will be another video coming out when I oak this. And, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.